But there are three things that I want to mention here which are very important. One is, technology is not the end. It's a mean to an end. It's a tool. And many times I see when I speak with other colleagues about technology, that the technology itself is worshipped, and we forget that's a tool to actually deliver better value. So you always have to ask yourself, what is the business question? What is the patient value question you actually want to address, and then find out which tool to use. And not turn it around by building technology inside the company and then hope that business will come to you and then say, how can I use it? We have to be able to reschool a lot of marketers, actually, in the exact use of technology and which business questions it can address. So that's the first. When I look inside a company, it's not a given that data is accessible to all. There is a concept which says data is an enterprise asset. But in how many companies all the data which you should use to generate patient value is centrally stored, accessible to all, so that you can really meaningfully connect dots and find patterns? That's the second thing to work on. And of course, the third thing is to be sure, as I said before, that you have people who know how to actually handle all of this. Now, while we all can see how to use technology as a tool, and we can put it on the value chain and ask ourselves, how can I improve what I do commercially in access or in marketing? How can I help discovery? How can I help development? This will, by doing that, by applying technology on the value chain, it will actually allow us more time to truly work on value-generating entities. But we should not forget, there is one thing that technology will never be able to replace. And that is the softer skill that we need in enterprises to be able to generate patient value. And the softer skills are anything ranging from communication, leadership, collaboration, design, creativity, empathy, emotional intelligence. The question is going to be how we will, by deploying AI, free time so we can generate more patient value in a different way, and then ask ourselves how these softer skills, which I just mentioned, how they can be used to generate patient value in a different way. Whatever I say is going to change in the ecosystem, we see the dawn of all this data coming, vast amount of data proliferating. We see companies getting ready to invest and use this. What we shouldn't forget is technology is not going to business-proof our future. It's a tool, as I keep saying, right? It's a tool to generate patient value. So whatever we are going to do, however we're going to get ready, we shouldn't forget that in the end, because technology is a tool to create this patient value, that the patient has to stay at the center of everything we do.